Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Niro key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you will see a small slot or indentation where the key blade was housed. This is where we will begin to carefully open the fob. Now, take a small flathead screwdriver and insert its tip into the slot you just located. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing begins to separate. Be sure to apply even pressure and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small coin cell battery inside. Most Kia Niro key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Note its orientation, then gently pry out the old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.